So hello aspirants, welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Mani Trivedi, pediatric dentist and professor in College of Dental Sciences. So today aspirants, we are here with one more important exam news regarding NHM. There is a National Health Mission Assam exam. So nowadays there are 2 to 3 more NHM is there. NHM Haryana is there where 1 to 2 posts are there. NHM Nagaland is there where 10 to 12 posts are there. And in future, in few coming months, NHM MP, NHM UP, NHM Kerala are going to come. So aspirant, please all be ready because it's a very good chance for all of you to get into the government sector, and once in a way you can secure your future. So aspirant, in this video we are going to talk about all the details regarding the examination, how to give exam, what are the websites are there, course, syllabus, how you have to fill your form, and everything we are going to talk in this video. So already we have uploaded a lot of video regarding the same, regarding government exam, as well as we have the academy which guide the students for both in the way test series as well as lecture series. Fine aspirant, so let's see what are the exam details, form filling, and our course announcement for the NHM exam. So remember aspirant, there are a lot of blogs are available which are not trustworthy, so you have to follow the proper website only. So above is the website for the NHM news and NHM form filling. You can click on the below link also for the direct form filling. Both the links are available in the description box. If you are in doubt, you can call me also, as well as the helpline number is given and you can call them between 10 to 4 p.m. Then important dates, remember the last date for form filling is 20th August 2022. Exam date yet they have not announced. Then when you fill the form, remember you should have the following things in order to avoid the mistake in form filling. Proper details, you should have valid and active email ID to get the OTP, even the mobile number, proper educational qualification you should have with all the years, mark details and everything. Your scan, photo and signature are required. Then you should take out the printout of the application form and fee slip. Aspirant, please don't make mistake, okay? Because when you get the job and when we have to submit the documents, at the time they ask from us application form and fee slip. And remember, online payment facility is there, so please be handy with your internet banking, debit card or credit card. Then what are the few points how you have to fill the form? Remember at the end I have shown the video how you have to fill the form, but few important guidelines. You have to visit the official website of NHM Assam. Remember, if you are planning for the NHM UP or the other, you have to go for their respective NHM state website. You have to select the desired post, that is dental surgeon, and then you have to click on apply online link. Then make registration. After registration, you have to log in with your email and password, and you have to fill all your details, your educational qualification, experience, your photo, signature, everything, and then you have to submit the application form. Then remember aspirant, we have the government dental exam test series and lecture series for the NHM exam. Okay, how we construct lecture series? When we have the application for that, you can access them whenever and wherever you want. When you download our application, you will get all the more than 600 lectures for a preparation as well as the test series. Then aspirant, how many seats are available for the NHM Assam? Remember, whatever the NHM recently they are going to come, very minimum seat are there, that's 8 to 10 seats, but for the Assam whooping 33 seats are there. So very good chance for the students to apply for the same. Essential qualification, remember you should have a BDS degree from the recognized university, and one important and mandatory thing if you want to apply for the exam is that you should be registered with the Assam State Dental Council, and minimum age for the application is 45 years. And remember aspirant, those who are in the internship, they cannot apply for the exam. When you complete the internship only, then only the application form will get submitted. Then the pay scale for the those who get the job is around 30,500 plus different perks will be there. Now what are the schedule for the exam? Yet to announce. No authenticate news is there that when the schedule is going to come. You can follow our YouTube channel or Instagram handle to know all the details. Then aspirant, what is the pattern of recruitment test? Now till date, when they have announced, they have decided they are going to conduct the written exam as well as the interview. They have given the following subjects as a part of the syllabus. But remember aspirant, other subjects also they can ask, because our dentistry is related in one or the another way. Okay, they can ask you the dental anatomy part related to the endo also. They can ask you the oral orthodontic part related to the oral path also. So these subjects you have to do, and along with that aspirant, please focus on the other clinical subject also. Okay, because they can ask you the operative dentistry question also based on the dental anatomy. So you cannot just rely on these things they have given. Fine aspirant. So please focus on the subjects given in the list mentioned in your screen, plus other clinical subject you have to see. Along with that, you should have proper knowledge regarding the current affairs and all that logical reasoning. So aspirant, what are all the things which we provide from our academy? We cover all the 21 subjects. Okay, the flexible timings are there, so no need that you have to be at the lecture. You can download the lecture and access whenever and wherever you want. The app is there, MDS Dental Academy, and whenever you log in, you're going to get all the lectures at a time. And we have designed very good micro lectures, not a lecture of 1 hour, 2 hour, a boring lecture. A 5 to 10 minute lectures we have designed, so student can quickly revise. Yeah, then we have the high papers, more than 50 papers we are going to get, because in this exam, the past paper experience is very less, because hardly few exams have been conducted. We have the recent past papers of NHM MP also, and we have past papers of the other government exam which may be helpful you for this examination, and proper guidance regarding how to plan and everything. You can DM us on the below number if you want more details. Even demo lectures are available. For that also you can contact us. Now aspirants, you can go through this video where I explain how you have to register for the examination. So you can click on here the registration things. Okay, after clicking on the registration things, the things are going to come like account information and all that. You have to select the post, that is the dental surgeon. Fill all your necessary details. Then when you enter all the details, you are going to get the OTP. After you enter the OTP, your registration will be confirmed. Okay, and after that you can click on the login and you can add all your details, and there you can enter all your personal information, educational qualification, work experience, and all the things you can do it. Okay aspirants, so that was all from my side regarding NHM exam. Any doubt you have at any point, you can contact me. Till then aspirant, take care and all the best for the upcoming exams.